This is just a very short video on how to harvest Swiss chard seed. Okay, this is our monster of a Swiss chard plant. Let me back up so you can actually see how big they get. It was planted last year, and it was planted way far away from the rest of the garden because we knew we wanted to save the seed of it. And we also had some beets seeding in the other garden, and they will cross. Beets and chard are from the same species. So right now, as you can see, the seed pods, this is them right here, are very green. They have to be completely brown, and then you'll know they're ready. Let me go show you when that's ready. See how this plant, the stem is even brown, and all the little seed pods are brown? These are about ready to harvest. This plant is pretty dead. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clip it off, and then I'm just gonna go hang it in a paper bag and let it dry out. It's been real damp here lately, and so this is pretty moist. This one right next to it, it's closer than the last one I showed you. It's getting more yellow. I'll put the two next to each other and you can really see the difference. So this one over here needs to stay longer. This one I'm gonna go ahead and clip. So this one is ready to take in. So just gonna stick this in here. I'll probably forget about it, to be honest. And then at least in the bag, any of the seed that fall off will be captured inside there. And then I'll store these guys inside my closet because it's cool, dark, and dry in there. When you're ready to start taking the seed off of the stem, label whatever you're going to put them in to make sure you remember what you have in there. But as you take each seed off, press on it, roll it around in your finger. If it stays together and it's firm, it's a viable seed. If it crumbles a bit, then it's not viable seed. These little tiny ones on the end, they're just crumbling, so those aren't going in to be saved. See? We don't want that. There we go. If you want to grow Swiss chard and save your own seed, just remember this is biennial. So you'll need to plant it one season. You can even plant it right now in the fall. Let it over winter. It's going to, in the spring, it will shoot up a giant flower stalk, which all those flowers will turn into seed. I mean, this thing is loaded. And I could give seed to all my friends. These guys will cross-pollinate with beets and other varieties of chard. So you'll want to plant them far enough away that that is not a problem if you want to keep the true seed. I did a basic seed saving video. I'll put in the description below if you're interested. That's all I've got for today. So until next time, see ya.